today is a perfect day to clean a carpet outside. It's some minus degrees, -5 about, and we have got dry snow, and that's perfect. I have a carpet, woolen carpet. They are quite sensitive, so you must be careful with them, but then this method is perfect. So I will use snow, and I will shuffle snow on the mat at the beginning. So I'm using dry, clean snow, and it needs to be so that the carpet won't become dirty from the snow or the ground. So now I will brush away the snow, and with the snow the dirt will go. And then the same procedure on the other side of the carpet. First, here is the carpet hidden in the snow, and now I will sweep off the snow. Now I will take the carpet inside. It will dry on some chairs for a while, and I'll have a fresh and nice carpet to put on the floor.